Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I really appreciate. Check out my Discord. It's a little rough right now, but there's some people in it. Stop by, chat, say hi, and all that good stuff. So anyway, look, today this is Cudos. Um, this is a project they've been around for quite a while. But they just recently partnered up with MELD. I don't know if you follow me, then you know that I'm big on MELD. I was in their if you had been following me, you would probably be in there with me too. Their ISPO picked up Diamond Hands. In fact, we're waiting on that NFT to come out, that Bank Manager NFT, and really excited about MELD. It's a great project. But anyway, um, Kudos has partnered up with MELD, and Tingo. And what Kudos is a so they're starting to pick up some partners. Their mainnet. This is Kudos is actually a blockchain. It's a brand new blockchain that they're going out. That's getting ready to be released. And let's see if I can find. There's a countdown on here somewhere. But anyway, they just partnered up with MELD. They have lots of partners and investors. Um, and what their goal is to be a decentralized. They're going to be a cloud service, is what they are. In fact, they already started out as cloud service. They have a bunch of the hardware already, and so they're it's an opportunity to stake and all that kind of stuff. In fact, you can take whatever piece of equipment you have. From what I understand, I haven't done it yet, but it's an easy setup process. You download an app and you create you make a node for them. Here's some information on their website. Become a Kudos validator node. Um, from what I understand, it's just as easy as downloading an app. I plan on doing this. Um, the market has kind of been iffy. There's a little bit of an uptrend. They had that initial bounce, and then we're kind of working ourselves up. We're sitting about 4 cents on the price right now. I think that this is going to break, and I think when it does, I think we're going to have quite a price movement. I believe that this is a good project because they're partnering with good people. So when good people partner, it's a good project anyway. But when good people partner with other good people, then it starts to really draw my attention. So that's why I'm looking at this project. It is a complete blockchain, and I think it's like 30 days until they launch. So really now is the time to be involved. They got their Kudos staking is live. Um, they have smart contracts coming online here in the next. Like I said, I think it's within 30 days. And here's some information on how to stake and everything. So stake as a validator, stake as a delegator. I've got those options down there. It tells you just about how it works. You earn the gas fees and all that kind of stuff. But it is a cloud service. It's going to be a decentralized. Everybody can commit a little bit of their. This is their idea is to use up all of the to take advantage of all the unused processing power is what their basically what their idea is, which is a good idea. We're becoming really centralized when it comes to like Amazon Web Services. There's a couple big companies that just pretty much own it all. So, and there's a danger to that. I don't even care if we all don't agree. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter when who has to agree with somebody else. Everybody has different opinions about different things. But when everybody's involved in the process, this is why I'm so interested in Cardano. When everybody's involved in the process, then then it's safety for everybody else. Even if you don't agree with each other, there is safety for everybody else because the difference of opinions. It's only when one faction gets the power. I don't care what side they're on. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what if you're left, right, whatever you want to call it, right, up, down, whatever you want to call it. It's when when one side silences the other side, that's when we all lose, and we all do lose. So decentralization is a big deal to me. In fact, I'm building a stake pool right now on Cardano, and I'm going to make some videos and release the videos and show you how to build your own stake pool. Um, it, you think this is kind of in a business sense that would kind of be counterproductive um, because the more stake pools, the more it waters down the funds you can make and all that kind of stuff. But the truth is that what's even more important than making funds and all that mess is that everybody has a seat at the table, and that we stay decentralized, because that's how we stay safe. We all win when we all stay decentralized. It's very important. It's the most important thing that's going to happen in the next 10 years. So whether we stay decentralized or not is going to determine a lot. Everybody needs a seat at the table. So anyway, so I'm interested in this project. This looks like a good project to me. Now they're picking up some good partners. They already had some good partners, um, but um, but they're picking up some good partners, and so this is something that I'm looking at on the like I said over here. We had the initial spike, initial run up. We're sitting at about 4.4 cents right now. We're bouncing along the bottom. I think we're going to see some action when this moves. um, on the hourly chart, that's our daily chart. On the hourly chart we just broke out of this ascending relative strength. So we had that breakdown with that double top, right? And I'm just waiting for my next trade. I'm just waiting for the break of this relative strength here. We've had a downturn before we could get back to our resistance on a relative strength. A lot of times that means another move lower. So I'm just waiting on that. The area that I'm looking at for a buy is right about here. That is our area of capitulation. Just about. This is our area of capitulation to the upside, and then just down to the downside. That is our area of capitulation to the downside. So I want to see a bounce off of this area right here. This 4 cents area is what I'm looking at now. Although right now might even be a good buying opportunity. I'm just going to have to keep an eye on it. But I am waiting for the break of this resistance on our relative strength. Our downtrend on relative strength. So anyway, that's what I have for you today. And I encourage you again on that note to everybody be involved, right? Everybody be involved. It really is important. It's really important that everybody has a seat at the table, and that everybody can express their opinion equally, um, and that you become functional. Right now I'm learning. I'm working on Haskell. Like I said, I'm building a stake node, a stake pool, and Plutus, the Plutus Pioneer things. There's a little bit of a learning curve there. I'm gonna push through and get done what needs to be done. And I encourage everybody else to be functional, not only present but functional, right? So it is very important at this stage of the game. All right, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.